Hello everyone. Today I'll start with illustration number 47 in cash flow statement. As you can see, this is the balance sheet and some notes to account and additional information में हमारे पास tax paid during the year है and as you can see हमारे पास provision for taxation भी है, so we have to prepare this tax account one. The second is machine की adjustment है, तो हमें machinery account भी बनाना होगा. So I'm preparing the accounts first. 47 machinery account. The opening balance is to be written here, balance brought down and balance carried down. So watch the balance. This is 13 and 14, 17 lakh and 20 lakh. So the opening balance is 17 lakh, closing is 20 lakh. Now as per the adjustment, a machine whose book value is 10,000, the appreciation thereon was 40,000, was sold for rupee 2,000. It is not 40. I think this is by mistake it was written here. No, it is 40,000. Machine, net value of that machine is 10,000, was sold for rupee 2,000. This depreciation is on the complete machinery. So we have to write depreciation on the machine is complete machine is rupee 40,000. The value of machine is जो हमने सेल किया 10,000 उसको 2,000 में सेल किया, तो बाय बैंक द सेलिंग प्राइस इज़ ओनली 2,000. 10 की चीज़ 2 में सेल कर रहे हो तो आपको क्या हो रहा है, लॉस ऑन सेल. इट इज़ 8,000. ये जो 40,000 का अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन है होल मशीनरी के ऊपर है. एंड फाइंड आउट द बैलेंसिंग फिगर. टू बैंक परचेज 3,50,000. Second, I am preparing provision for tax account. As you know, this is my liability brought down here and carried down in the debit side. Brought down is 11, carried down is 18. So the opening is 11 and closing is 18. Now tax paid during the year is 16,000. In the debit you may write to bank. This is paid 16,000, so it is total 34. Find out the balancing figure. This is statement of profit and loss. This is tax made. So ये आएगा आपका 34 में से 11 माइनस किए 23,000. नेक्स्ट वन मोर थिंग इज़ हेयर, एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन इज़ ऑल्सो हेयर. तो आपको डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट भी बनाना होगा. अगर ये एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन ना होता तो हमें अकाउंट बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. ब्रॉट डाउन इन द क्रेडिट, कैरी डाउन इन द डेबिट. As you can see, we have 90 and 140. The balance of depreciation 90, 140. Machinery account में हमने लिखा था by depreciation. तो in the depreciation account write 2 machinery in the opposite side 40. ये 180 में से 90 minus किए. So the balancing figure is 90 again. This we have to show in the operating activity. Now on the basis of all these things, I am preparing the first operating activity. In the operating activity, firstly you need the net profit. Now surplus 110 save 250, so the net profit earned is 1,40,000. Next you have to add firstly provision for tax. I'm using the accounts first. Tax made, it is 23,000. From the machinery account, loss on sale of machine, loss on machine, it is 8. In the depreciation account, depreciation 90,000. So these are from the accounts. अब आप यहाँ पर देखिए, आपको कोई भी इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स, यस इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स हमारी 30 से 50 इंक्रीज़ हो रही है. सो दिस विल नॉट बी शोन हेयर इन दिस एक्टिविटी. ये हमारी आपकी सेकेंड एक्टिविटी में शो होगी. इससे अदर कोई भी टर्म नहीं है हमारे पास. सो दिस इज़ ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर working capital. It is as per your book 2,83,000. Now about the increase or decrease in assets or liabilities. Inventory 59 से 37 हो गई, डिक्रीज हो रही है. तो आपकी क्या होगी, यू कैन सी इन योर बुक डिक्रीज इन इन्वेंट्री इज़ टू बी एडिड हेयर एज 22. नेक्स्ट है आपका रिसीवेबल. इंक्रीज इन रिसीवेबल लेस होगा 3,000 से, डिक्रीज इन ट्रेड पेबल्स लेस होगा 68,000 से. लास्ट में इसी एक्टिविटी में आपको क्या करना है, टैक्स पेड जो हमने पे किया था 16,000, द रेस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट इज़ 196। सेकेंड हम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में यूज़ करेंगे मशीनरी की सेल और परचेज। सेल ऑफ मशीन थी 2000 की, परचेज थी 350 की। एंड वन मोर थिंग, पेटेंट्स हमने परचेज़ किए थे 20,000 रुपीज़ के। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द सेकेंड एक्टिविटी। थर्ड हम लेंगे फाइनेंसिंग, जिसमें आएंगे आपके शेयर्स और डिबेंचर्स। शेयर्स 14 लाख से 15 लाख हो गए तो 1 लाख से इशू किए। डिबेंचर्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड बाय 75,000, सो ये भी आपके इशूड हैं। बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट है आपका इसमें 12 सॉरी इट इज़ 2000 इंक्रीज। सो दिस इज़ द फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी। फर्स्ट प्लस सेकेंड प्लस थर्ड you will get the total and add the opening balance of cash and cash equivalent. It must be equal to the closing balance. So this is about this illustration. Okay, let's check out one more illustration, number 51. As you can see, this is the balance sheet and some notes are mentioned here, and we have some additional information in that. We have first proposed dividend, the current and the previous year. As I told you so many times, जो करंट ईयर का डिविडेंड है उसका कोई भी रोल नहीं है, इसका हम कैश फ्लो में कोई भी यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. अबाउट द प्रीवियस ईयर डिविडेंड वी विल यूज़. Some adjustments are depreciation of 10,000 and 20,000 on plant and land and building. Interim dividend paid 20,000, income tax 35,000 has been paid, rent received during the year rupee 10,000. So on the basis of these adjustment, we have to prepare one plant account, the second is land and building account, and third is about the income tax account. So look at the accounts. Firstly, the land and building account. As you have to firstly write down the balance of land and building. The balance is opening is 2 lakh and the closing is 1 lakh 70. So the brought down is 2 lakh, closing is 170. Now depreciation charge on this is rupee 20,000. The balancing figure is in the credit side. So we will write here, by sale of that land, the cost is of that land selling price is 10,000. Secondly, we have to prepare the plant account. The opening and closing balance of plant is 80 and 2 lakh. As from your book you can see. So brought down is 80, the closing is 2 lakh. The depreciation charge on plant is rupee 10,000. So right here, by depreciation 10,000. Now the balancing figure is in the debit side, so it is to bank purchase for 1 lakh 30,000. Then we have to prepare the tax account. As you can see, the tax balance, short term provision for tax 40 and 50. So the brought down is 40 and the carry down is 50. Now as per the adjustment, tax paid is mentioned as 35. So it will be recorded in the debit side to bank 35. You will find out the balancing figure as tax made 45. So on the basis of all these things, we will prepare the cash flow statement. So firstly, start with the operating activity. In the operating activity, I have to write down the balance of profits first. Profits 30 से 48 हो गए. So 18,000 is the current year profits. Then you have to add the reserves. 40 से 70 हो गए, means we transferred rupee 30,000 in the reserves. Then we have to write down the tax paid. Tax paid is 35,000. So you have to add the amount of tax paid. Then the adjustment is interim dividend paid. It is 20,000. This is also added in the net profit. One more thing, proposed dividend. Proposed dividend of the previous year 42,000. You have to add this one in your profit. As you can see in the notes, proposed dividend, interim dividend, reserves and provision for tax made, we will add. So the profit is 1,55,000. Now as per the adjustment, we have to add depreciation 10 and 20 on plant and building. So we add 10 and 20 as depreciation. One more asset is there, intangible goodwill. 115 से 90 हो गई. So this is goodwill written off, which we add in it. The last adjustment is rent received. This is to be less here क्योंकि ये नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम है. प्रॉफिट बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल आ गया. वर्किंग कैपिटल में आप करंट एसेट्स और लायबिलिटीज़ का इंक्रीज डिक्रीज शो करेंगे. Then you will get the amount of profit before tax. It is 150. Lastly, pay the tax as rupee 35,000. So this is operating activity amount. Second, we have to prepare the investing activity. Investing activity में हमने एक लैंड अकाउंट बनाया था जिसमें हमने की थी सेल ऑफ लैंड ऑफ रुपी 10,000 एंड प्लांट अकाउंट में हमने की थी परचेज ऑफ प्लांट ऑफ रुपी 130. सो सेल एंड द परचेज. रेंट रिसीव्ड इज मेंशन एज पर द एडजस्टमेंट. सो रेंट रिसीव आपका इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में आउटफ्लो की जगह इनफ्लो होगा 10,000. सो दिस इज इन्वेस्टिंग. Third is the financing activity in which we will write the shares or debenture. As you can see, share capital 450 से 5 lakh हो गई. It means we issue shares of rupee 50,000. Now do the adjustments. Adjustments are interim dividend paid rupee 20,000. This is to be less here. Then next term is proposed dividend of the previous year. This we have to pay in this third activity, financing activity. Then you will get the amount of financing activity. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 and add it the opening balance of cash and cash equivalent, that must be equal to the closing balance. So all this is about the cash flow statement. We have illustration 55 in this cash flow statement, and rest of all the questions are similar. So you just try to sort out the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask about your doubts to me at any time and I will clarify your doubts, because आपको सिर्फ अब कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में प्रैक्टिस करनी है, क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी नया टॉपिक नहीं है. फ्रॉम माई साइड the cash flow statement is complete. I'll start the next chapter after 2 or 3 days so that you will be able to complete this cash flow statement. So up to that, take care and sort out the chapter.